Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you Duolingo promo codes. Top 3 discounts. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're looking for Duolingo promo codes, there are a few websites that can help you find the best deals. Start by opening your browser and visiting dealspotter.com. Once on the site, tap on the search bar and type in Duolingo. You'll see a list of available promo codes for Duolingo. Browse through the options, and when you find a suitable promo code, tap on it to reveal the code. In the pop-up window, copy the promo code to your clipboard, and you can then paste it into Duolingo to redeem your discount. The next website to check is Worth the Penny. Open your browser, search for Worth the Penny, and visit their site. Use the search bar to type in Duolingo, and you'll be presented with promo codes for Duolingo. Tap on the code you want, copy it, and then paste it into the Duolingo app or website to apply your discount. Lastly, you can visit Simply Codes for more Duolingo promo codes. Open the website in your browser and use the search bar to look for Duolingo. The site will display a variety of promo codes. Simply tap on a code to copy it and then paste it into Duolingo to enjoy your savings. These are 3 reliable websites where you can find promo codes for Duolingo. So that's basically Duolingo promo codes. Top 3 discounts. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.